Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your LinkedIn profile without notifying your contacts. Click the Me menu at the top of the page. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu, then when the Settings page loads, click Visibility in the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Visibility of your LinkedIn Activity section and click Share Profile Updates. Toggle Share Key Profile Updates to off. This stops LinkedIn from broadcasting your edits to your network. For this example, I'm toggling it back on to show you where the control is, but you'd leave it off while making changes. Now, click the Me menu again. Select View Profile to open your profile page. Click the Edit icon on your Intro section to open the Edit Intro modal. The modal opens showing your current details, including your headline. Click into the Headline field. Make your change. For this example, I'm just typing a couple of letters. Then click Save. The modal shows a loading spinner as your update saves. And because the setting is off, no notification goes out. You'll find Share Profile Updates under Settings and Privacy, then Visibility. It's the same place whether you're on desktop or mobile. If you're making several edits, turn the toggle off before you start, make all your changes, then turn it back on when you're done so future updates do get shared. LinkedIn saves every individual edit immediately, so turning notifications off partway through won't hide the changes you've already saved. The setting controls what LinkedIn calls Key Profile Updates. Things like your headline, job title, or profile photo, but it won't suppress activity like posts or comments. And that's how to update your profile quietly. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.